In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable saved password in Brave browser. By the end, you'll know how to remove a saved login so Brave stops autofilling it on that site. This is helpful if you've changed credentials, share your device, or just want tighter control over what's stored in your browser. Start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the three-line menu icon. This is often called the hamburger menu, and it's where Brave keeps most of its tools and preferences. Click it to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings. Settings opens in a new tab and is organized into sections so you can quickly get to what you need. We're focusing on the part of Brave that controls form filling and saved logins. In the left-hand panel, click Autofill and Passwords. This is where Brave groups anything related to remembering your details, like addresses, payment methods, and passwords. It keeps everything tidy, so you can manage each category without hunting around. Next, click Password Manager. This page lists the logins Brave has stored on your device, typically organized by website. If you've saved multiple accounts, you'll see a list of sites and usernames. Take a moment to find the exact site and account you want to remove. If you see duplicates or old entries from previous password changes, this is a great time to clean those up too. Now, click the specific saved password entry you want to delete. Opening the entry will show its details, such as the website and username. This helps you double-check you're working with the right login before making any changes. Accuracy matters here, because once you remove it, Brave won't autofill it anymore. Finally, click Delete. You may be asked to confirm, just to prevent accidental removal. After you confirm, that saved password is gone. The next time you visit that site, Brave will no longer suggest or autofill those credentials, which effectively disables the saved password for that account on this browser. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you use Brave on multiple devices with syncing enabled, changes to saved passwords may sync across them, so be aware of that when you delete. And if you need to remove more than one login, simply repeat the same process for each entry. Keeping this list tidy reduces confusion and helps you stay secure. That's it. You've successfully disabled a saved password in Brave by removing it from the password manager. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.